So, we're doing a special episode that will be published the same day because two hurricanes will collide into each other today.
Now, have you heard of the Fun Zone on YouTube? Well, we're going a little more intense today because today we're making the Fun Zone behind the scenes weather report with Aaliyah and Liam.
So, this is just a little episode to keep you started, to get us started. So, this only a couple of these episodes will be for us together. So there will be multiple ones of just both of us reporting any unusual activity. So I have a weather map, and it's on my phone, so I can keep an eye on it.
Now, anyways, we're having some very serious weather, and it's serious.
Yeah, it's really scaring us.
Now, don't get us wrong or overexcited. We're not sure. We're just kids. But we have been doing some science experiments, and we have a hypothesis. We think two hurricanes are going to collide.
Like they're actually like this. And their names are Six and Dorian.
These two hurricanes, Dorian is a very strong hurricane right now.
All of its winds combined equals 1,600 miles per hour.
Yeah, that's 1,600 miles per hour is Dorian's. That's how much Dorian's winds are going. And it's coming in fast for Florida. Like, in an hour, it's going to hit.
Yeah, and it's already hit Puerto Rico and the Bahamas and the Dominican Republic.
Yes,
I think I've recorded from that.
Now, anyways, and also now 6 isn't that much. It's just some really strong winds coming up.
380
miles per hour.
And do you want to hear the total? Okay,
now, we added these up together to see if they crashed, how fast the wind would be right there.
Oh, and also,
if you don't want to hear it, you don't have to. But we did some math, and
also, we didn't actually do the math. We used a calculator, so
we also did some of the math.
Yeah, some of it. 1,980.
It's intense, and we're scared, and it's okay if you're scared. Nothing's going to come to us, just some severe thunderstorms coming our way.
And also, we also have another hypothesis. Today, we had some really severe thunderstorms, and we believe that they were coming from the hurricanes. So, if a severe thunderstorm came all that way, the hurricane must be extremely strong.
It has to be. I mean, we had these huge pour down this morning. It was crazy.
And it had hail.
Yeah, it was insane. So,
yeah, I almost had a panic attack when my phone started buzzing like, warning, severe thunderstorm alert. Warning, half-inch long hail.
Warning, flash flood.
Warning, small craft advisory and all that stuff. I don't remember the other one.
But we've talked really severe, and we hope we didn't scare you. But the thing is, you don't need to be scared. We humans have our brains, so we can be really smart.
So I'm also gonna go find my weather book. I have a book for about everything. And go to the hurricane tips page. In case you're watching this right now and you're in Florida.
If you're scared, it's okay to be scared. But the hurricane's down in Florida, and if you're in Florida right now, we think you should get out right now. It's severe. And if you're just getting thunderstorms, it's okay. Here's some fun tips here that can keep you safe. Now, number 1, if you're scared of a hurricane, you want to learn more about it. So go away. Yeah, bye, sibling. Go. if you want to learn more about it, 1 second. Sorry about that, siblings. They have dramatic. If you're scared, it's okay. To learn more, when you're scared, you don't know much about it, I bet. So we want to learn more about it. So as meteorologists, you have to find out things and learn, and it's so cool. So we had to add up all this math, but it was fun. And so what we want you to do if you're scared, you can look in a book and read about hurricanes. And if you look on the news and watch the news, you can watch all these things. You can watch people talk about the weather. And also, if thunderstorms come on, don't be scared if your lights turn out. The electricity just went out. That's all. Nothing to be scared of. But make sure you pack a box. So here's what I've been dying to tell you. Make sure you pack a box. So a safety box with a safety aid kit in it, water bottles, and if your electricity goes out, make sure you grab something like a camping lantern or something like that. And don't worry, everything's going to be okay. Trust us. Now, and every weather and any weather condition you're in, tornado, snow, floods, rain, sunny days, cloudy, maybe even a hurricane right now or a tornado, or any of that weather, it's okay because we know everyone's going to be safe. So those are some cool tips.
Okay, I found the page in this book. So, hurricane safety. Stock up on canned food and bottled water. Fill up your car's gas tank. Cover up all of the windows of your home with shutters and plywood if possible. Evacuate from your home if advised. Evacuate. Okay, so stay inside away from windows. Even if the weather is calm, the storm might not be over. And be on the alert for tornadoes. And also, some common things that come with hurricanes are tornadoes and flash floods. So I also got some for that. So I'll read those too. So first, tornadoes. Find a sturdy shelter. A basement or cellar is ideal. If you're in a building, move up against the walls in case something above you crashes in. Put a book over your head. Ding. Or let's see here. Put a book over your head or get under a sturdy piece of furniture. Grab a mattress and get underneath it. If you don't have a basement, get in the bathtub with the mattress over your head. Try to have a flashlight and battery-powered radio handy in case if you lose electricity. If you are in a car, go immediately to the nearest building. If you are far away from any buildings, try to find a ditch or low-lying area to lie in. Okay, now flash floods. So, if we are scaring you, it's okay to stop. We're just really worried.
I told them about it. It's okay to be scared because when we learn more about it, we get less scared. So in the beginning, I sound pretty scared, but I'm getting a little happier because it's kind of cool learning this information, and we're only getting these thunderstorms, and they won't hurt us. So let's learn more about this flood area.
So flash flood safety. But first, this is not on the book. So even if it's flash flood or flood, if you see a flood area sign or you see low things or you see low road, do not drive on it so if you see a flood area sign or a flash flood area sign or you see some low water or you see a low road and some water near it, do not go through it or drive through it. It might flood.
Yeah, so let's get to
Aaliyah has one of those. There's a sign that says impassable during high water. So it means like if she's in a flash flood warning or a flood warning, a light will blink or turn on, and that light means warning. You
What do you
cannot
mean?
pass here.
What do you mean?
Hey, do you remember that low piece of road by your house?
Yeah.
It has an impassable during high water sign right beside it. It means that low road would flood.
Oh.
Okay, so here's the ones in the book. Get to the highest ground possible. Do not drive across flowing water with your car, even if it looks okay. I just said that. Even if your vehicle stalls in water, get out immediately and find higher ground. Do not camp along streams or rivers during threatening conditions. Do not cross flowing water that is above your knees. Do not go near storm drains during or after heavy rains. So I'm still really scared, but I know I will be okay. So if I say that to myself, it makes me feel better. It makes me feel better.
Yeah, we're all going to be okay, and everything's going to be right, especially when we're together. We'll all be okay. Everything's going to be all right. So, I think that's it, right? Or do we have anything else to say? So grab a pair of water, like I was saying, grab a flashlight, and get in your basement if anything happens.
And
And stay safe. Well,